All right, we should have practice exercise open, and we're going to go ahead and start entering in these formulas. And the first way I'm going to show you is actually doing the keyboard way. So we're going to select cell F4, so that would be under gross pay, and we're going to actually type in the equal sign, and we're going to type D4 times E4. Now remember, this is the keyboard way, that's why we're typing it. Okay, once you do that, you're going to go ahead and right arrow key over. Notice that as we typed in D4 and E4, it highlighted those cells that were active in the formula that we were doing. Okay, and then once we arrowed over, it went away. Okay, now if you were to click on F4 up here in our formula box, you can see the formula that we entered in. Alright, next we're going to do the point mode method, and remember, this method is going to be a lot easier and quicker to use. Alright, so with G4 selected, go ahead and select G4. We're going to type in equals 0.22 times, we're going to do the parentheses, and now here's where we're going to begin clicking. So we're going to click F4, and then we're going to type the minus sign, then we're going to click on C4. And remember, these are formulas that you had written down earlier from the previous video. So if you did not write those down, that's why you're lost right now. Okay, then we're going to type in times 24.32 and then close the parentheses. We're going to hit the enter button or return button, and then it gives us our total for the federal pay. Next, we're going to go into H4, and we're going to go ahead and type in the equal sign, 0.04 times, then we're going to click F4, then we're going to click minus, oh, I'm sorry. No. So 0.04 times F4, we're going to go ahead and hit enter there. Then in net pay, we're going to type the equal sign. This is in I4. And then we're going to click on F4 again. We're going to do the minus sign, parentheses, and then we're going to click on G4. Then we're going to do the plus sign. Then we're going to click on H4. And notice they're different colors. You can notice that in the formula as it types in. That's how you know you're in click mode, or point mode, I'm sorry. Then we're going to close the parentheses, and we're going to go ahead and hit the enter button. Then we're going to do the last one. So we're going to select J4. We're going to type the equal sign again. We're going to do parentheses. Then we're going to click on G4. Then we're going to do the plus sign. Then we're going to click on H4. We're going to close the parentheses. We're going to do the division sign. Then we're going to click on F4. Then we hit the enter button. Okay. Now, we have all the formulas entered in. So if you highlight and click, you can see up here in our formula bar, all the formulas are entered in. So now we're going to use the fill handle, and we're going to copy these formulas. So we're going to select the source range F4 through J4, because these are the ones that we want to copy. And then remember, down here is the fill handle, and when you put your mouse over it, it changes to that black cross. And so we're going to hold the mouse down, we're going to drag all the way down to row 12, and you'll notice that it automatically enters all those in. So if you were to click off of it and scroll down, you'll see that it's automatically changed all of that.